How about this? Hello, hello, hello. Okay, you guys can hear me now. Um, am I about to hear a bunch of echo? I hope not. Um, well, wait, is this? No, that's not a way to find out. I mean, this is fine. I mean, if this is going, then this is going. Yep, okay, good. Yeah, yes. Nice to finally be here and turning the stream on once again. So, what was I going to say? Yeah, there's so much to talk about. Um, yeah, I feel like I guess first of all I probably should say that I should be yeah, I probably should have. Oh, this is maybe not so good. Let me fix this. It's going into a red, and that is probably not good. Especially if I can just speak a bit louder if I really wanted to. But this is do this, I guess. Yeah, okay. So what was I going to say? Yeah, I really should be doing this a bit more often, especially that I really miss doing this. So and also otherwise I'm kind of just doing the unlucky well, I'm not sure if I should say this is making me understand why. No, I mean this is just none of this is good excuse or whatever. Um Yeah, I'm just saying that maybe this is exactly the kind of thing that how should I say it, on the viewer's side, I would be quite sad about when my OG is not streaming for like days. So I feel like it's really something that I should try to, yeah, I should just be streaming a bit more often. Um Yeah, so maybe I can also say, try to make some excuse on what happened. So that is why I didn't turn this thing on for like I don't know how long. Okay, so the idea is basically that you might not know that. Well, I mean, I guess I still don't have. Yeah, okay. So I guess the excuse is that the after I just spend the entire time practicing this, like for I don't know however many hours a day. I guess the saddest thing is that even after that, the end result is still not so. I don't know. It's still not what I'm happy with. Um, but yeah, like I feel I'm just not so good at piano. But yeah. So I basically just spend like I don't know how many days just like polishing, polishing a cover. But then it just didn't. Yeah, so I've been quote unquote busy, but this is really not supposed to be a way to go. At least let's just say I'm still trying to find a balance. But from here, I'll probably have to either I still don't know what is a good balance. Maybe I will have to just arrange and play something easier, or I will have to somehow balance both sides. So I'm still streaming and not just disappear off the face of the earth for however many days. But yeah, let me see. So yeah, I guess the other thing is that after this, this just puts me behind on pretty much everything else I'm working on, and because of that, I've just been well not as around. Between that and also just some other duties. Like for example, I had the on one of the days it really did not feel right streaming because like because my teammate is working on some like closed sourced project, so I couldn't because it's closed source I couldn't really stream programming that. But then it is also that I also could not, it also didn't feel right to be gaming and stuff like that. So I just did not, I just stay offline. But yeah, I mean, this and that, right? At the end of the day, this is yeah, it's just balance to be found. Balance is difficult to find, but I will have to find it one way or another because I want to be a lot more present in this. Oh, look, it's a cover that I'm trying to practice. Yeah, I mean, maybe I'm spoiling this. This is the next cover. Um, I mean the my piano thing. I'm practicing this song. Okay, so Yeah, so I guess I mean the other thing is that I'm not like I'm still like slightly behind on everything, just like I always am. So today we are going to chat and we are also going to do a bit of programming. But this is an easy kind of programming, I hope. So this is how should I say it? What is this? Oh, wait, huh? Do we actually want to do this? I guess we do. Yeah, okay. No, I just got very what is the term? Mesmerized by this code of my colleagues. Yeah, so today we are going to, well, just chat. We are doing some easy programming. And maybe drinking, maybe not, I don't know. So actually earlier I was sharing some gin tonic with my sweet mates. So I actually already had a little bit, but maybe I could have more in a bit. I don't know. The thing is I'm really lightweight, so I don't want to drink too much. And also I still want to have some notion of productivity. So there's that. This is like the yeah, okay. So this is maybe I've actually been saving up this project until today because I know that if I try to do anything else, I'm just going to get frustrated and basically just turn off the camera. So like what I did in the last like I don't know how many times. Let me count. This is so bad. Yeah, actually I was thinking about it as well on how to on how to not get as frustrated, but basically this. Oh, actually, this day I actually stayed for such a long time. But yeah, I feel like for a lot of this, I just get well, a lot of this I just get frustrated and just quit before I actually did a full day of work. Or maybe I did not. I don't know. I feel like no. I feel like my I have an impression that I always get frustrated in like programming and turn off the and turn everything off and kind of rage quit. But I guess maybe I have a bit more patience than I thought. Or I don't know, maybe I just spend like first half an hour chatting and then and then not doing programming until I eventually start programming and then I get frustrated and I quit. But anyways, so where am I? Okay, yes. Yeah, okay. So this is the I mean this I have a permission to be doing this, even though this is technically not open source yet, it will be one day. And my the person leading the project says it really doesn't matter if I show this to others. So that is probably what I'm going to do right now. So this is a the kind of programming that I probably will also not say way too much on what it is, because this is maybe not a not so how should I say it? Because it is just going to bore all of you if I say what I'm programming for the day. I guess I can still say just a little bit, but not too much. So this is quantum error correcting code, which means that this is it is what people how should I say it? This is how you build quantum computers, more or less. I mean, a lot goes into building a quantum computer, and this is may or may not be part of it. The point is that as you guys might or might not know, basically quantum memories are not really a thing today. As in, well, there's this thing called decoherence. Basically, the idea is that it's not like on our usual laptops or desktops. I feel like I've talked about this one day, like before already, actually. But yeah, basically, it's not like our laptop or desktop or whatever, where we have RAMs and hard drive, where we can just store data for pretty much as long as we want. In a quantum setting, basically you have what they call qubits, but basically it's whatever. And you store things, you store quantum data, but then those data usually goes away very quickly, so you cannot actually store them for more than, let's say, I don't know, a microsecond or something. Um, and well, that is a problem because you know there's no way you are going to finish all of your computation in like a microsecond. So you are using this quantum error correcting code to help your data stay alive for just a little bit longer. or you are going to I mean that is well that's pretty much the idea really. That this is something that helps your quantum data stay alive for a bit longer. Yeah. But anyways, that is enough of the quote unquote nerdy thing. That is maybe not so interesting. I mean I'm still gonna be doing it while chatting, but yeah. Or I don't know, maybe this is a kind of thing that's difficult to chat while doing. I guess I have to first understand what the heck is going on here, right? Because almost all of this is my colleague's code. And I don't, yeah, maybe I don't want to open this or this yet. I should just work on the easier things, right? So these are the, huh? Okay, maybe I don't understand things as well as I thought I did. Yeah, just what is the dependency here? So this is so these two are both the oh no. So this is the basic thing. So I should go bottom up here. So I should prove yeah, just what uses what. So oh so this uses this. So are we saying that this is the root? So I should be proving this first and then I go from here to yeah, I guess I go from here to either here. Okay, so this builds into that. Makes sense because it says basic. But then and then this also builds into this because or does it? This builds into no, it doesn't. Because this builds into the I mean this imports this, so this is lower level, but then this imports this, so it's like this builds into both this and this too. Does either of this use poly? This does not, and neither does this. Good. Okay, so then let's go bottom up and prove this. Or at least we can attempt to. Hopefully, without making everything too boring. Okay, so what is going on here? But yeah, no, I feel I kind of want to chat more because this is I feel I'm just going to go into this deep rabbit hole of programming again. I mean, it's not the usual kind of frustrating rabbit hole, but still. Especially with gin tonic earlier is really reducing my brain capacity. But let's see what can we do this anyways. So let's see. Um, ew. Okay, I see why this is. I see why my colleague did not fill this in, and now I fill it in myself because this is. Of course, okay, fine. What is her mission? Um, do we know what is her mission? Her mission is conjugation suppose, okay. Except now this is literally a matrix of what? This is literally a matrix of any type. This is this. Um, wait, is n a number or is it literally it's just type, right? Because it's just indexed by yeah. What's this? What's the matrix? Um, a matrix is um yeah, it's a you can have arbitrary index. It doesn't have to be finite index or whatever. I mean, it's probably finite, but it is not. You know, it's not literally the integer one to any integer. Okay. Anyways, wait, but then if that is the case, how do you take conjugate transpose? You still can because these are the same type. Okay. Um. Okay. Then what is the Hermitian? Oh. Okay. Okay, good to know. Then what, right? Then I want to just understand what the heck is going on here. Um, I mean, this is something that has to go through relatively easily. It's just I need to prove some things about conjugate transpose. I need to say the conjugate transpose of this Kronecker is I'm gonna say conjugate transpose a what is it? Respects Kronecker or the other way around. Wait, which way is it? Um, sorry. One moment. My nose is so strange. How do I mute? Go my nose. Um, I will mute again now. I do this. Yeah, okay. I wish there were an easier way to do hardware mute on my headphone without me touching the mic and making this like very loud noise on you guys' side. Yeah. But okay, so we need to say that the you say this conjugate transpose. No, we want to say this Hermitian conjugate transpose respects Kronecker. But is it true though? Does it actually respect Kronecker? I mean, I'm pretty sure it does. How do I know? Because Kronecker is literally let you I feel like this can be proven entry wise, right? Let me see. Yeah, what is this entire situation here? Well, first of all, this is I don't care about this being unitary either, right? I can just say that for any what is it called? Unless it's already in the standard library, it might as well be um okay, so how do I Kronecker and conjugate transpose has to be a thing, right? So what is conjugate transpose or rather permission? What is permission? Conjugate. No, I don't have to say conjugate this Kronecker. It no, it's surprising. Okay then. Then I wait. It's permission. I'll have to say what is this? Conjugate transpose. Okay, so I will have to say something like conjugate transpose and what conjugate transpose and Kronecker. Oh, good. We do have some stuff that is good for maybe easy to use. What's Kronecker map? Is the thing that we actually want, right? So what are the difference between what am I looking at? I'm actually losing my mind here. Okay, so you are saying this is right, what's the difference between this text conjugate transpose and then this is that's funny. I think I wanted just this, right? So I will have to say something like yeah, I need to destruct this somehow, right? So I need to say that, well, let me first check this. Conjugate transpose, and then Kronecker. This should give me something meaningful here. Good, yeah. I kind of want to chat more. I feel it's still a bit too early to really get uh very deep into this. I guess at some point I still will have to do this, but this is just a maybe a terrible this terrible content. Of course, this is. Oh well, I guess that is how it is. So will I be able to just literally unfold and rewrite? Maybe, because this permission is just saying that now I have this, and then I will just have to say that this is so what's the value of this? The value of this is just a this is this, and this is what is this? Oh, of course, yeah. This is. Can I just simplify this and see what I get? No progress. You gotta be kidding me. Okay, and then still no progress. Why not? Because I need to what is this? Unitary cron, I think. Why do you not unfold? Oh, and you do unfold now. That is funny. Okay. Simplify. Okay, good. And then what? Rewrite, I guess. Wait. This is just not true, is it? Oh, because no, this is true. This is true. Okay. So I would just rewrite um conjugate transpose Kronecker. Oh, doesn't rewrite because you don't oh, I need to normalize cron. Make no progress. Okay. So why not? Because normalize. Mm, well, first of all, why is this making no progress? Because Kronecker. What is this? This is can I just print it, or is this going to be very bad if I print it? And yeah, and then print what about Kronecker map? So what is this? Kronecker map is funny thing, and Kronecker is a Kronecker map. So I should be able to unfold this, right? And then why do you not? Mm, what do you mean this is not a because your Hermish what's normalized matrix? Normalized matrix is this ours or is this like what is it called? Um, I mean it has to be ours. It's just normalized mat. Where is this? Oh, this is my own code, of course. What is this doing? You should have known that this is literally my own code. Okay, so what is this? This is indexing. Okay then. So so now what, right? Normalize mat respects Kronecker. And then I would do what? What's this? Um, what's going on here? Well, N1, M1, N2, M2, and then it's literally just do what? What is the? Actually, there has to be notations for this, right? What on earth is this? I feel like there's so much of this is just quickly trending my. I mean, no, I mean I'm not getting a sanity hit from this, or at least not too much of not too much of one. This is just strange. Or I don't know how much do I care about. Um, like how do you take connectors between two? It's literally just matrix dot connector. I mean, I don't mind. Or I don't know, Mat one, Mat two. Um, wait, huh? Am I normalizing both sides? But that is really funny, isn't it? We shouldn't be normalizing both sides. What's going on here? Am I actually supposed to be normalizing both sides? I'm not, huh? No way. What's this? Oh no, it's not connector, it's conjugate transpose. So is this thing respects conjugate transpose? So I should just say normalized conjugate transpose. Normalized stagger, why not? Okay. So I think it's this, right? Huh? Is equal to not Kronecker. Um, normalize matrix of dagger is normalize matrix and dagger. Not sure why this is etched instead of dagger, but we will have this. Um, okay, then now I can and then there we have it. And then let me see. Can we write? Can we write by this? I should be able to. Okay, yeah. Oh, it's comma. Okay, good. So now what? Now I can make this a bit simpler, right? So if I just do this, it works. Okay. Do this. It's well. I guess the question is both if I can do this and if this is good to read. Okay. This doesn't seem too painful on the eyes yet. So I will have to say, yeah, I just unfold everything. Do I not need this anymore? I still do need this, but why? Oh, because this is, um, yeah, why not just this then? And then, let's do this. Bad idea, huh? Okay, good, easy. Easy, quote unquote easy. This is a maybe not so easy, but still. Okay, oh, why is this broken? Oh, because of course. Okay, this has to be a feedback NNM. So this is like what um uh uh matrix. It's not like me. Because this is saying that what do you mean here? Um because this takes a what is it called? Oh, right. And A1, B1, A2, B2. And then what? And then this is matrix A1, what's this? A2, B2. Okay, now what? Now I have to say this is, I mean, you fill this in. Okay, good. This is literally just by component, right? Because so normalize is literally just a what is it called? Just a index. So I can just say that conjugate transpose and reindex has to be something meaningful here. Yeah, it does. Okay. So I mean, let's do the obvious thing and see what happens here. Can I just write for this is terrible, but who cares? Okay. So uh conjugate conjugate transpose. Excellent. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how I'm doing it. I don't know if I care. Um, I mean, okay, fine, 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 fine. Uh, I mean, this is incredibly stupid. There has to be a way to do this because there is unless specify otherwise. Yeah, tell me how to specify this other. Okay, good. Yeah, very good. Close enough. My stomach is a bit upset. I will be back. Maybe I'll just turn this off and start a different stream later. I will be back in a bit. See you guys.